Hello friends, welcome to UNS EduTech. So UNS EduTech helps students of class 9 to 12th to study for their competitive exams like NEET, JEE and board exams both online and offline. UNS EduTech is a team of dedicated IITians who are responsible for the concept building through their simple and lucid experiments, trainings, simulations, animations and problem-solving sessions. Not only this, they are also taking care of mental health of students through the mindfulness series. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about the mindfulness series of stress management. Do you think your exams are around the corner and you have lots of anxiety build up, lots of stress? How we can overcome that stress? How can we manage the stress before the night of exams? So first point is, let us identify the root cause of our stress. So if my root cause is the syllabus is more and the time is less, I need to plan my study accordingly. So most of the time my stress is only because I have my exam tomorrow, I have not studied anything and I have lots of syllabus to cover. So we will discuss that point in second, which is plan accordingly the subjects. So first point is to identify root cause. If your root cause is less time, more syllabus, then we need to plan the subjects accordingly. Second root cause can be I need to achieve more marks than the last time. So for that, first point is challenge yourself, shift your perspective, and you can do best and focus on present. I'm sure you will be able to achieve that point, that marks this time also. So do not forget to challenge yourself this time also. So once we have identified the root cause, second point is we need to plan the subjects accordingly. So I have less time, more subjects. What I need to do is I need to break the parts into three. So next week I have my exams of physics, chemistry and biology. So this week, 1 week before the exams, I have to study one subject per day. One subject per day, that is today physics, tomorrow chemistry, day after biology. And if my exam is tomorrow night, then I have to study today I have to study that subject. For example, tomorrow is biology exam, I need to study biology today. And 2 days before I am focused on that subject. And also there is one more technique we discussed in our previous videos, which is Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique, which will help you learn efficiently in less time. So go back and listen to that video of Pomodoro technique. So in planning the subject accordingly, we are separating the subjects one by one. Coming back to the third point under the stress management is, the third point under stress subject is learning techniques. So in our previous videos we have discussed about Feynman learning technique. So what is Feynman learning technique? Which is helping you to learn very efficiently and very quickly. So if you want to learn efficiently, you can go back and listen to our video of Feynman learning technique. So fourth step to avoid the stress is to work upon and declutter your table. Yes, decluttering will also help you to focus on that subject, focus on the studies. So declutter. And also remember, we do not have to declutter the space where we are sitting in the time of study. So it should be a separate time. You can declutter your study table, you can declutter your bed wherever you are sitting, your sitting place. So basically decluttering the place will increase your productivity. Right? So the next step will be to avoid the stress management or manage your stress, will be to discuss about removing and focusing only on studies and staying away from social media, from your phones, from the pets. So basically focus on your exams, focus on your subjects and stay away. Stay away from the games. Stay away from the phones, stay away from the tabs, from the pets. Only focus on your exams, on your subjects. Moving further, the next point should be take the support group of your friends, of your professors. If there is something which you are not able to understand and is very difficult to imbibe in a very small point of time, you can reach out to your professors, you can reach out to UNS EduTech team, you can reach out to your friends and learn it efficiently. And also, please take care of your health, of your food regime, of your sleep regime before the night of your exam. That is very important. Sometimes what we do is we study whole night and we give our exam. So guys, that will be of no use. Sometimes there will be a blackout. Sometimes you will do really good. But what is important is to take good sleep before the exam night. Do not stay long. Second is have a very proper meal, have good meal. Avoid coffees, avoid chocolates, but you can have chewing gums to have a refresher. You can have your proper meal before your exams. So that will help you to focus and remove that anxiety, remove the stress from your life. So guys, let us come back and revise what are the ways to manage the stress before the exams. So the first point is, let us identify the root cause. So my root cause is I have to achieve more and my time is less. I will plan accordingly. I will plan the subjects, I will apply the Pomodoro technique and I will break the syllabus. Third point is, I will learn with the learning efficiently with learning techniques like Finman learning technique, and there are many other learning techniques for that matter. So if I am focusing, I am learning with so much enthusiasm, there is no way that I will have that build-up of a stress. I will release that stress slowly. I have to declutter my table. That is very important. If I will see my table full of books, that will give me a lot of anxiety. Oh, I have to cover up the syllabus. So declutter yourself, declutter your table. Coming back, focus and stay away from your phone, from your pets, from your tabs and from your games. And lastly, before the exam, we need to take care of our sleep patterns, our meals and our self-care. So this is it for stress management, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you want to know more about our program, please fill the link below. Our counselor will get in touch with you. Thank you so much for watching once again and stay connected for more mindfulness series. Thank you and have a nice time.